Guys, this is going to be my next review. So I'm going to review my purchase of this old cedar mop bucket and mop. It's a really good mop. I right now I'm getting ready to mop my bathroom, and I have some good old, y'all remember this Lysol in the black bottle, the brown bottle. Yeah, bringing it back. So I'm gonna use some of this, and gonna mop and show you all this old cedar mop and mop bucket. All right, I'll be right back to show you. I really like this because I put hot water as hot as well, not even as hot as I can stand it, as hot as I can get it, and I just I put the Lysol in there, and I don't have to touch it because of the way this the vacuum is set up. I don't have to touch it or anything. So all I have to do is get this mop, um, put it in the water here, put it on this side, and then to wring this out, all you have to do there is on the side here, there's a little spinner, little thing that you just get your foot and you just spin, and then here you go. Then you just start mopping. How cool is that? Look at that. I'm okay, guys. I'm using one hand, which I don't normally do. I use both hands. So I'm going to start using this and go back and show you what it looks like, and then show you when I finish mopping. All right. Okay, I'll be back.
Okay guys, so here I'm starting to use the mop bucket here, and I'm just mopping the floor here. Putting a little elbow grease in there, as you can see, just going around, just mopping. And I think at some point I realized that I put a little too much of that Lysol in there, because it really had me coughing and I could really hardly breathe. So please don't put too much Lysol if you're using that Lysol concentrate. You just need a little, and then not having the door end up closing. So I think that made it even worse. So please don't do like me. But I really like this mop and mop bucket, because like I said, I don't have to put my hands in there. So I really like that. I can just it's a lightweight mop, and I can just go over the floors and easily put the water in there as hot as the temperature will be, and not have to touch that water, and just using that lever to spin the mop. So I'm just
Yeah, sorry, I had to cough. It was so much. I think I may have a little too much Lysol in there because it's getting to me. Oh, I forgot that it's concentrate disinfectant. So, oh, I didn't need much. I may have put too much in there, but I wanted to show you the little lever on there at the bottom that you use your foot on. And you see the little spin wheel, the little basket, and the water just spins out of there. So I'll be back to show you once I finish mopping.
Okay guys, so here I'm just continuing to mop, even though I still feel like I couldn't breathe hardly, because again, that too much of that Lysol was in there. So I'm just going on behind moving the items that I have in the bathroom, and really, just getting, just mopping all over this is my bathroom floor. So yeah, I really like this mop and mop bucket. So I really recommend. I think it's like $39. I really, I don't like. I don't like cleaning a lot, but I like my place clean. So this really works. I really recommend it. So if you do not have one, I do recommend getting one. This is one of my best purchases, especially when it comes to a mop and mop bucket. I really like this. I was supposed to show you guys the final, but I ended up, I think I forgot. This video is kind of old. I just wanted to come back and upload my review of this old Cedar Spin Mop. So if you don't have one, I highly recommend it. It will change your life as far as, mopping is concerned. You'll really, feel the lightweight of, mopping because it's not much to it. The mop is really lightweight, and the like I said, you can get the water as hot as your temperature will go and not have to touch it. And yeah, I think it's a really, really good investment. So I saw someone that I follow on Twitter, Chris, a guy named Chris. He highly recommended it, and I ended up buying it from him recommending it. And so I just wanted to share my review that it really is a good investment when it comes to cleaning and mopping. So yeah, just wanted to say that again. I'm in my not workout, in my regimen of cleaning. So overlook the attire and all that, because when it's time to clean, you're not you putting on whatever. So just do understand that this is a review of the old Cedar Spin Mop, and I highly, highly recommend it. All right, thanks for watching. Goodbye.